Do you want to know how Amazon generates 35% of their revenue? It's through one simple feature that can be installed on your Shopify store in less than 10 minutes. I'm talking about the Frequently Bought Together app, and today I'm going to show you how to install it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and scroll down where you see apps. It's right at the very bottom of the dashboard. So click on apps, and all you need to do is simply type in Frequently Bought Together. And the great thing about this is what it does, it actually does a search within a Shopify system to find the app that you're actually trying to search for. And as you can see, there's a free plan available as well. But obviously there's going to be tiers, but you can basically start off on the free plan if you want. And if that's the right app that it's found, you just literally just click on the link there, and it will take you directly to Shopify App Store. Now, when it comes to the Shopify App Store, you can actually install various types of apps, but what it's done is actually taking you directly to the Shopify app. And all you need to do is click on the install button here. That opens up a new screen. In essence, what it does, it takes you back to your Shopify store. I know it's really weird, but you've gone from your Shopify store to the App Store and then back to your Shopify store again. But the only reason why it does that is from this page, you can't actually install it. It's just a link back to your website to install it. So when you go back to your website, all you need to do is go to either cancel or install. So obviously if you changed your mind for any reason and you wanted to cancel, you didn't want to actually install the app, literally just click on cancel here. It also shows you as well within the actual app details, this app needs access to, and if you click on this drop down menu, it shows you exactly, for transparency, what it's actually going to be viewing as data. And the second link is the view and edit store data. So from here, you can view products or view orders. All right. So we're not interested in it. All we're interested in is actually installing the app. And that's what I'm going to show you to do. So literally just click on the install button just there. And what it's going to start doing is it's actually going to start installing the app onto your Shopify store. And that is basically it. So what you've got a 30-day free trial. It's saying, obviously for me, it's saying up until December the 9th. And it's also got the actual tiers as well. So it's also got the subscription. So if you wanted to start testing the app out for 30 days, it's totally free. But after the 30 days is when you would actually start paying a subscription. And as you can see, it's $19.99 US after the 30-day period. So once you click on approve, it will install the app and then you can actually start using the app. So just show you what it looks like once you've actually installed the app. I'm just going to go to the view demo store here. So this is a demonstration of what the app looks like. And as you can see, it's got the Frequently Bought Together here. All right, obviously within the back end of the app, you've got a choice of which items it shows, or you can actually set it as automatic. And I'll probably show you that in a different video. But this is what it looks like once you've actually installed the app. So you can either click off these and it will remove all those items, or you can click back onto them again and it will add on the items that are frequently bought together with this alpha bike. Now, if you just wanted the bike on its own and you didn't want any of the frequently bought together, and this is your customer, by the way, all they would need to do is click on add to cart and you'll add on this 50 centimeter size bike at $329. But if they wanted to add selected to cart, all they would need to do is click this button here. And what it will do is it will add on all the items within the actual frequently bought together. So you've got the bike, you've got the crankset, and you've also got the Kryptonite series lock as well. And when they go to checkout, that is what they'd be paying in total. And here's a tip for you guys. If you wanted to be a bit more advanced with your Frequently Bought Together app, what you could do is actually add themed products around your product. So say, for example, you were selling skincare in your Shopify store. What you do is you'll bundle together skincare and actual sun cream as a morning routine. So in essence, what you've done is you've got a themed bundle there. And another tip for you as well is don't just test this on desktop. As soon as you've installed the app and you've gone through all the actual sections that you want to add as a frequently bought item, actually test it on mobile, because the vast majority of your customers are actually going to be coming from mobile. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you may even want to join our free school community. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The eCom network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the Join Group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you're definitely going to like the next one, which is 100 proven hacks to 10x your store's growth. I'll see you in the next video.